I don't know who needs to hear this, but you're setting your fitness goals too high too soon. You're a beginner who's been sedentary for a very long time, but you get this surge of motivation. All of a sudden you want to change your life around and you want to start working hard 7 days a week. Change your diet completely. That's a recipe for failure. Consistency is the key to everything, and you won't be able to be consistent if what you're doing is not sustainable. So how should you start? Start slow and be realistic. If you're completely sedentary or you don't do any physical activity, don't go from 0 to 1,000. You can start by increasing the amount of daily steps you do. You can focus on mobility to help improve your range of motion and your flexibility so you could do regular activities of daily living. If you have trouble walking or standing for long periods of time, that can be a goal that you set. And once you achieve that goal, move on to the next realistic goal. And that goes for nutrition as well. If you're used to eating a lot of processed foods or going out to eat, you don't have to suddenly rid of everything in your fridge and pantry. Maybe the first step could be reducing the amount of soda that you drink, the amount of times you go out and eat at fast food restaurants. If you grab fast food for lunch 6 days a week, cut it down to 3 days a week. That's already a 50% decrease. Shooting for the moon is great, and having a macro goal in the end is really important, but you need a roadmap to get there. Remember, it's a journey. And the gradual transition will also help you understand why you're doing all of this. Through time, you'll even enjoy the process. That's how you stay consistent, and that's how it becomes a lifestyle. So, you don't want to change the person who you are drastically. Rather, you want to slowly adapt to becoming a stronger and healthier you. Hope this helps.